Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to understand the set productivity limit setting, which you can find under the settings section. Under timer apps, you'll be able to see that this is the icon which is coming up. Click on this heading and you'll be landed to this specific screen. Here, you can set the productivity percentage that will be automatically applied when the users add or edit the manual time entries. You can enable it by toggling it to the right. You can drag it to the maximum level of 100%, and this is how you'll be able to save the changes by clicking on the save. Once you do that, the manual time entries that will be recorded, added by your organization members, that this is the range that they can add up to their productivity limit. So this was all about the settings here. Thank you.